hatin xapandin, to be deceived. Em li ser vê hatine xapandin, we were deceived in these. Here hatin xapandin is past tense and this last a is present perfect. Present perfect is commonly used in Kurdish, and we made this verb causative case, means we were deceived by someone else. And le ser means about, and ve means these. About these, on these, we were deceived. Hemberî, keda, xwe, what we deserve for our effort. Hember literally means opposite, and ket means effort. Keda me, we can say, or you say keda me, our effort. This xwe is used in some cases, some specific cases. For example, when the subject is honored for the object instead of me, we are using xwe here. Em nikarin hemberî keda xwe bigrin, we cannot getting paid we deserve for our work. So em nikarin means we can't. Le erebê siwar bun, getting into the car. So siwar bun means getting into or getting on a vehicle. Em le erebê siwar dibin, we are getting into the car. Le and siwar dibin are connected, so this verb is used with this preposition, and le erebê means to the car, into the car.